Welcome to DelphStack. In this tutorial, we will guide you through creating desktop shortcuts in Ubuntu for the applications, files, and folders. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, this step-by-step guide will enhance your Ubuntu experience. First, open your file manager and click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Then go to Paquet Applications and enable the Create Linkage option. Now right-click on the file you want to create a shortcut for and select Create Links Asian. Link file will be generated. The desktop and rename it if necessary. To create a shortcut for folders, follow the same process. Right-click on the folder, select Create Link, move the link to the desktop, and rename it if addition needed. Creating shortcut for applications is a bit different. First, go to the following location. Search for the application you want to create a shortcut for. You can either copy the file or drag it to the desktop. You will notice that the shortcut has been created, but it's not executable. To make it executable, right-click on it and select Allow Launching. And that's it. Today we have learned how to create desktop shortcuts in Ubuntu for applications, files, and folders. Those shortcuts can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. For more tutorials, like and subscribe to DelphStack.